Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to play Uno card game. In few steps I will explain everything, so hear me out. You need to shuffle the deck and deal 7 cards to each other. Place the remaining cards face down as the draw pile and flip the top card to start the discard pile. Be the first to play all your cards and score points based on the cards left in opponent's hands. Match a card from your hand to the top card of the discard pile by color, number, or type. If you can play, draw one card from the draw pile. If you can play it, you may otherwise your turn ends. This is the special cards. One is the skip. Next player loses their turn. Reverse. Change the direction of play. Draw 2. Next player draws 2 cards and loses their turn. Wild. Change the current color. Wild draw 4. Change color and next player draws 4 cards. Saying uno, when you have 1 card left, shout uno. If caught not saying it, draw 2 cards. End of round. The round ends when a player plays all their cards, score points based on opponent's remaining cards. And the winning first player to reach 500 points wins. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.